Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing essentials. Open PiWallet and make sure your recovery phrase is backed up. You will need it if something goes wrong. Once done, install Google Authenticator on your phone and grant camera access so you can scan QR codes. Make sure your phone and wallet device clocks are synchronized within 1 minute, otherwise codes will fail. You'll also want your Pi account password ready because you'll confirm sensitive changes during the setup process. You now enable two-factor authentication inside PiWallet. Go to Settings, then Security, and select Two-Factor Authentication. Choose Google Authenticator as the provider. PiWallet will show a QR code plus a textual backup key. Use your Authenticator app to scan the QR code, or type the backup key manually if scanning fails. This adds PiWallet as a token. Once the account appears in your Authenticator, enter the 6-digit code. Finish by confirming two-factor authentication is active in PiWallet, and then securely store the backup key offline, encrypt it, or keep it in a safe place. Next, test a complete logout and login to confirm the Authenticator codes actually allow access. This validates everything. If something goes wrong, first make sure your phone's time is synced automatically, because time drift breaks codes. If needed, use the backup key to restore the Authenticator entry and regain access immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.